Ed from Providence Community Center, and I'm going to be going through some stretches with you today. So these stretches can be done if you're going to go outside and exercise, or if you just need to stretch your muscles, if you want to ride your bike, if you're going to run, if you're going to play a sport. These stretches can help you out for that. So it can be for any age. It can be for first graders all the way up to 12th graders. You can make it as difficult, as easy as you want, depending on what kind of shape you're in. A lot older than you guys, so I'm not in good shape like you guys are, but we're going to get through this together. So we're going to begin with some shoulder rolls. So you want to stand with your feet shoulder width apart, and you look down and make sure your feet are aligned with your shoulders. And we're just going to roll our shoulders back and counting to 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now we're going to move them forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This helps to loosen up all your shoulder muscles and your muscles in your back. So right now we're going to be doing some waist twists. So we're going to keep our knees shoulder width apart. We're going to bend our knees, hands down to our side. You can bring them up a little bit if you want, and we're just going to go back and forth. Right, left, right, left. We're going to count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this helps all in your waist area to get those muscles and in your back and in your hips. So then you're going to stand up again straight, and we're going to do some stretches to the left and right. So same thing, shoulder width apart, your feet are shoulder width apart, and you can bend your knees, and we're going to stretch to your right over your head. Hold it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to stretch to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stretch to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Awesome job, awesome job. So stand up straight, take a deep breath in through your nose, out through your mouth. Let it out. In, out, in, out. Great job. Okay, so now we're going to do some toe touches. So bring your feet together, knees together, hands on your hips, and we're going to go knees, toes, knees, and up. We're going to count to 10. Ready, go. Knees, toes, knees. 1, knees, toes, knees. 2, knees, toes, knees. 3, knees, toes, knees. 4, knees, toes, knees. 5, knees, toes, knees. 6, knees, toes, knees. 7, knees, toes, knees. 8, knees, toes, knees. 9, knees, toes, knees. 10. So I felt that all in my back and in my thighs and in my hamstring and my hips. I felt all that, and in my calf muscles as I was going down. I felt all that stretching all the way down. So now we're going to open our feet a little more than shoulder width apart, and we're going to do some windmills. So your arms are out to your side, and you're just going to go down and touch your opposite foot and come up and touch your opposite foot. Okay, so we're going to start going down to your right side first. Ready, go. Down. 1, up, 2, up, 3, up, 4, up, 5, up, 6, up, 7, up, 8, up, 9, up, 10, up. Give yourself a great hand.